Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking 3 to 5 reputable bookmarking sites and logging into a consistent profile. Prepare the exact target URL, a short optimized title, and 2 to 3 precise tags. Once done, open the bookmark submission form and paste the URL, populate the title and tags, and add a 1 to 2 sentence teaser description explaining value. Make sure to select the correct category and set visibility as public. This first action establishes the canonical entry and consistency across sites. Next, you optimize each submission for human readers and crawlers. Write a unique 35 to 60-word description tailored to that platform. Explain why the link matters. Once done, diversify tags and categories so entries don't look duplicated, and add a relevant thumbnail or image if supported. Also, include a short call to action in some descriptions to boost clicks. Make sure to stagger submissions over hours or days to appear organic and reduce automated pattern signals. Finally, you promote and monitor the bookmarks to complete the process. Share your saved bookmarks in niche groups and trigger a few natural upvotes or comments. This increases visibility and chances of indexing. Then, check referral analytics and Search Console indexation. If entries are not being indexed, wait 48 hours and update the description or resubmit on a different high-authority site. If issues persist, audit for duplicate content or platform-specific spam filters and adjust accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.